Hi guys, just for the sake of it, just for the sake of it, here's a different view. I figured I might as well do it. I'm into it. Yeah, I don't even know if the videos even do it justice. Oh boy. It's a hard job to hold her on the road. I'll tell you, a little rough too. That's a good one right to the face. Hey doggy, boys, boy. Nice. This is the one way on, one way off the causeway. This is where power goes, like I've always said about the Cape Island boys. I'm a Cape Island boy. Gonna be the name of the new boat. Island boys. Yeah, so whoa. The causeway is taking a shacking here at the high water. If that means anything to anyone, I don't know, but it will to some, yo. Tide is up. The wind is blowing to the southern. Just a little update on what's going to happen today, tonight, this evening. It is going to turn, the tide's going to turn soon if it hasn't already. I would say it must have already. The tide's going to turn. We've got 10 degrees right now. The tide's going to turn. And usually when the tide turns, that's when the wind does whatever it's going to do. The wind's going to haul to the north, and it's going to drop to -16. And all this here flizzle flazzle water here, right? All that water is going to be frozen like an egg, like an egg, frozen like an ice pond, boys. It'll be frozen. Yeah, freaky. Look, just look at it. Just take a look. Look, just to look at it. Just to take a look at it. Oh my, it's something. Just a look.